Hey guys, today we're going to be making an orange creamsicle smoothie. The first thing you're going to do is dice up some cauliflower. Next, you're going to steam the cauliflower and then put it into the fridge to cool. Now we're going to use some mandarin oranges, and I like to put them in the fridge to keep them cold. Use 4 tubs of mandarin oranges. Now we're going to put in peaches and cream ice cream. It's literally foam. Okay, now we're going in. Now we're going to put in cauliflower. It's going to have creaminess and healthiness. This is by far my favorite smoothie yet. And if you liked it too, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Do it.
I just spilled it on your camera, but I did get it on my hand.